Hello, it's great to have you joining us today for some embroidery fun. Today we are making a card holder. Most of the embroidery supplies can be found on Apex's homepage. Look for the Apex Favorites link. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more creative projects from Apex Embroidery Designs. The materials that you'll need is a 5x7 hoop, tearaway stabilizer, 3 pieces of vinyl, one of which can be a clear vinyl, your thread, snaps, and a key ring. In this step, you will be attaching 2 pieces of vinyl, one to the front with the right side facing up, and one on the back of the hoop with the right side facing up. For this step, you will repeat the first stitch sequence again to secure the vinyl. Line up the top vinyl edge with the placement lines. When you put the tape on, make sure you put it over the stitch lines on either side so that the machine doesn't get caught up on the vinyl while it's stitching. There's a link to this design in the description box. Thanks for watching.